In this video section, we will learn how to look at various tasks and how to assign tasks to different users. First, go to IBLIB.com and go to the login page. I will log in as a student account for now. So once you log in, you will land up to the dashboard. On dashboard, you can see on the left side, it says you have one new task and 3 under progress tasks. Now there is a colors coding available. The blue color shows this is a newly assigned task, and the yellow one shows that these tasks are under progress. A brief summary of the task is available on the dashboard. You can see the more details once you click on more details button. Similarly, for in progress task, you can go to more details and change details. Let's click on more details. Once you click on more details, you can see the detail of the task, who assigned it. For example, this has been assigned by Jahid. The task type is an assignment. Details says that Zahir has assigned worksheet to Yashoja. Please complete before the deadline. Now there are other details available which says not started, different task details available here. In the end, you can see a start task button. Once you click on it, it will take you to the exact task, and once you complete the task, it will move to completed list. For example, once I complete this particular worksheet, the task will move to the completed list. Now if you go back to the dashboard again, you can see the initial task which was showing as blue here, now it has gone as under progress. And the details says you have 0 new tasks and 4 under progress tasks. Now on the left side, you see a blue ribbon which shows 4th number here. That is the same thing as newly assigned task and under progress task. That means these are the tasks which are pending from your side to complete. Once you click on the task button, it will show you more detailed profile of different type of tasks. The first column shows to-do list, the second one in progress, and the third one shows completed list. These are tasks which you have completed so far. Now on top, there are other options available. You can look to-do list, you can look detailed in progress list, or you can look at the completed list as well. There is a shortcut button available for users to add a new task for themselves. So for example, if Yash want to add a project deadline or some instruction task with some particular deadline, he can actually create it here. So let's create a task, complete the Global Campus Champion application. Add task for myself. Once you press this button, it creates a task. Now obviously this task needs to have more details here. Once you click on more details, you can assign a start time and end time. Currently the end time is 2030 here, but you can go and assign it somewhere in December, let's say. I want to set a deadline of 12th of December. I can set a particular time that I want to complete it before 6 p.m. on 12th of December. Once I put the proper date here, I can update the task detail. If I go to the task, you can see now there are 5 outstanding tasks on my side, and the task detail shows exact time clock that this task is due to be completed on 12th of December. Similarly, there are other tasks available. Some tasks which are already in progress, you can go and complete them whenever you want. There is a set of completed list. Task which has been completed, you can't do anything about it. It's already complete and there is no option available now. Now I'll log out and login as a user, which is a teacher account, and show how to assign a task to different students. Once you log in as a teacher, there are multiple ways to assign a task to users. Now when you go to the taskbar, this additional section here which you see as add new task. You can go here, fill the details of the task and assign it to a new user. There is also a section task assigned by me, where you can look at the tasks which were assigned by Zahid to various users. As you can see in the to-do list, there are still 4 outstanding tasks. This worksheet has been assigned to Vansh. This has been assigned to Neha. This worksheet has been assigned to yourself. And then this worksheet has been assigned to Arpita.IBLIB. These users have not even started the worksheet. Then there are 2 more under progress tasks where you can see that these users started working on it but they didn't complete it. The last one shows that these users have already completed these tasks. So this way you can keep a track of all the tasks available within the system. You can also look at them. When you click on all tasks, you can look at the tasks which were assigned to you. Now here, considering you're a teacher, there has not been enough tasks assigned to you. Only principal or a teacher can assign a task to you. Now, there are other ways to assign a task to different users, which we have covered in different topics. For example, assign different worksheets to different users, to different groups of the students, as well as assigning a test paper to students. This is it in the video. We'll cover more in different videos. Thank you.